heard something? Yeah, these are the birds. Now, lately I've been planning to do something for the birds, and I was like, yeah, I should do something about it. I mean, they are everywhere, and the summer is also coming, so why shouldn't I do something for them? So, I planned about something and I'm going to do it. Yeah. Let's begin with the apparatus. We just need a few different things, as you can see it on the screen in front of you.
As you saw the apparatus, now I'm going to change a few things. For example, I'm going to exclude a bit of the things. For example, the bottle that I was going to use in the apparatus is replaced with this ordinary bottle to save on the money. It costed around 70 rupees, 75 rupees, almost $1. So this one is a bit cost efficient, so I'm replacing it with that bottle. And now the procedure. So I'm using this mithai ka dabba to, so I'm going to insert a hole inside it and place this bottle. I'm going to place this bottle upright, so that as I fill food inside of it, and I'm going to add a hole around here, so that when the birds will eat food in this tub, the in this tub the food will come down as they keep on eating it, so that it won't get fallen or it won't fall downside. So that's my plan. I'm going, and to seal off everything, I'm going to use this screw and a visor. So that's the plan.